And the bowlers follow through, but it's the end of Mike Latherton in this England second innings. That'll end the chat.
It's a terrific delivery. We talk about action on the ball, spinning the ball up the hill, goes to the sweep shot. It just comes out of the rough area and does it spin. He loves it when that happens. He goes round the back, going for the sweep. Action on the ball. It's spinning like a top there.
That's a wonderful delivery from Shane Warne, clipping the top of off stump. That's absolutely exactly what the Australians needed.
And this is the perfect leg spinner. In drift, it pitches outside leg stump and hits the top of off. We thought this wicket might turn. It's certainly turning.
In Test cricket in England for Shane Warne. And he's done it. He started off with the most beautiful delivery. Gadding has absolutely no idea what has happened to it. He still doesn't know. He asked Kenny Palmer on the way out. Kenny Palmer just gave him a raised eyebrow and a little nod, and that's all it needed.
Well, that has turned about 2.5 feet. Gadding can't believe his eyes. Gadding, one of the better players of spin bowling in the world. The ball pitches well outside leg stump. And 80. And all of a sudden, even after one delivery, orders changing the field. Look at that ball turn.
Oh, well, it's an absolute clinker. Not quite the Mike Gadding ball, but it was good enough for number 11 in Zimbabwe. It was a beauty.
Too good for number 11. Very little he could do about it.